Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about how to add a chart view to your project. A chart view graphically represents a model as a chart. A chart plots information in a two-dimensional way based on X and Y values. The chart view supports area, area spline, bar, column, line, pie, and spline chart types. In today's video, we're going to add a pie chart to this example application, which manages an IT network for a global enterprise. We open the project file in Perspectives Designer, and first we go to Preferences, where we define Highlight, Hover, Select, Appearance, and View Behavior. Today, we're going to keep the defaults. Next, we go to the View Definition, and before today's video, I added a model rule which defines series and properties for this chart view. Here is where we define the type of chart to be a pie chart. We could choose a different type of chart here, and the remaining settings and definitions would be similar to what we see in the video today. Next, we define the title of the chart. We sort the elements alphabetically and set the animation properties. Next, we're going to add a domain rule for region headquarters. So we select region headquarters and click OK. Next, we select regional headquarters and then actions. Now we're going to add a data point for each regional headquarter in the model to our pie chart. And the size of the slice of the pie chart will be the number of open tickets in that region. We are going to update the data point ID to be datapoint.hq and then we're going to go to our expression builder and we're going to look at the schema for our model and we're going to select the ID attribute. We are creating a piece of the pie chart for this particular regional headquarters. Now we're going to add the name of the series from the model rule that we created earlier. Next, we're going to set the X value of this pie slice. We go to the expression builder and we choose the name attribute. And we deselect numerical since this is a string attribute. Now we're going to define the Y value to be the number of open tickets for this region. We open the expression builder and we're going to use the count elements function. So we're going to select the function and the online help will show us how to use this function. The count elements function returns the number of model elements that belong to the specified type, while the lookup value function returns the value for the model element of the specified type. In this case, the return is the number of ticket elements for all the retail outlet locations belonging to this regional headquarters. We are going to update the tag to be Regional HQ. This is the tag associated with this data point, and a tag is a way to group model elements under one name, which can be used in one or more views to control selection, highlighting, and behavior. We click OK, and our chart view is now fully defined. The next step is to add the chart view to our application. So we go to View Layout, click the plus sign, and add our new chart view. Let's open the web preview to see how the application looks. And here is our updated application with the new chart view. We see our pie chart here with a different size slices depending on the number of open tickets for each region. And also, the pie slices are alphabetized by the name of the region headquarters. In today's video, we showed how to add a chart view to a Perspectives application. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.